This video shows you how to export your responses in Project ESG Reporting Preview. You can export all your responses using our export workflow. To do this, go to Exports and create a new export job. First, specify the name of the export. For instance, let's name it CSRD Assessment 2023 for the assessment we just completed. Then, choose the assessment from the drop-down menu. On this page is a list of all the assessments you've created in this environment. Let's select CSRD 2023 and save the job. At this point, the job status will show as pending. It might take a moment to process, as the system runs in the background to compile all your responses, including both concepts and facts, into a flat table or structure. Once the processing is complete and the job status changes from pending to completed, it indicates that all your responses have been exported into a flattened report. To export this report to an Excel worksheet, select the ellipsis and then choose Export Flattened Report. This will download the report as an Excel file. This way, you can easily review all your responses for a particular standard in one place within Excel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out these links for more information and join the conversation on our social media pages.